everybody, welcome back to Unimonks. My name is Padmanjali Chauhan and today I bring to you a blueprint to dominate the CUET exam world in 6 months. 6 months because that is exactly how much time you have left for your CUET paper in May. Alright, so let's get directly into the strategies. Number 1, understand the syllabus. Now, the syllabus for your NCERT, for your board examinations, let's say, and for CUET are different. The NCERT has omitted certain chapters from your syllabus for your board examination, but that is not the case for CUET. The CUET requires you to study each and every chapter of your NCERT textbooks, whether they're coming for your boards or not. Alright, now it could be 15 units, it could be 19 units, it could be 21 units, it doesn't matter. You have to study every single one of them. Okay, now another thing you need to understand is that the NCERT textbooks are your holy grail, okay? They are your Bible, they are your Quran, whatever book you read, the NCERT is your holy grail for CUETs. So lick that textbook from top to bottom, understand and memorize every single word, okay? Do not miss the boxes. Obviously, you're going to study the main content, but do not mix the boxes either, okay? They could ask you questions from there as well. So, NCERT, alright? Remember, ingrain this into your brain, NCERT. Only after that, only after that do you go into your mock tests and into your previous year's question papers, okay? First, you understand your NCERT. You understand the syllabus. You start reading the syllabus. You start revising the syllabus, alright? Now, number 2, make a study plan. So, depending on the university you're applying for, you have a minimum of 3 domain subjects, right? CUET requires you to, the NTA requires you to give a minimum of 3 domain subjects, plus you have 1 language paper and a GT test, alright? A general test paper, okay? Now, ठीक है, डोमेन तो स्कूल में भी पढ़ते हैं तो डोमेन कवर हो गया, लैंग्वेज भी स्कूल में पढ़ते हैं, लैंग्वेजेस भी कवर हो गई, बट द जनरल टेस्ट का सिलेबस बहुत बड़ा है गाइस. जनरल टेस्ट में आता है आपका जीके, आपकी लॉजिकल रीजनिंग, ओके, और क्या आता है इसमें, आता है क्वांट्स. तो इफ यू आर लाइक मी एंड यू आर नॉट दैट ग्रेट इन मैथ्स, 10th स्टैंडर्ड तक की मैथ्स तो आती ही आती है, ठीक है, तो क्वांट्स को रिवाइज करना शुरू कर दो, और जनरल नॉलेज, लॉजिकल रीजनिंग, क्वांट्स और करंट अफेयर्स भी आते हैं, ठीक है, न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ना शुरू कर लो. ये सब बहुत बड़ा है, ठीक है. द सिलेबस इज वास्ट, ऑलराइट. दे कुड आस्क यू क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम एनीवेयर. So, general test is something that you need to concentrate on, especially if you're applying to a university like Delhi University. Delhi University requires you to have the general test, okay? It requires you to have a language, which is the English language, and it requires you to have whatever domain subject, okay? That you have to check the eligibility for that, okay? So, if you have a problem revising and studying for the general test, especially for, let's say, logical reasoning or quants, Unimonks brings you teachers, alright? We have 2 teachers. We have Manish sir and we have Vinayak sir who teach you the general test syllabus, alright? So, subscribe to Unimonks. We'll teach you. We'll be your partners through this journey, okay? Now, फॉलो द शेड्यूल. तो आपने बना लिया अपना शेड्यूल, ठीक है, इस दिन जीटी कर लिया इतने इतने बजे तक, इस दिन लैंग्वेज कर ली इतने इतने बजे तक, डोमेन 1 को ये टाइम दे दिया, डोमेन 2 को ये टाइम दे दिया. दे तो दिया, शेड्यूल तो बना लिया, बट इसको बैठ के निहारना नहीं है, ठीक है. यू हैव टू फॉलो द शेड्यूल एज वेल, ओके. यू हैव 6 months लेफ्ट. Now, for some people that might be enough time, for some people that might not be enough time, it doesn't matter, okay. 6 months fly past like this, okay, you won't even realize. So follow the schedule, be true to yourselves, alright. Persevere through this, put in all your hard work, because this paper is your straight direct road into your dream university, ठीक है. DU जाना है, JNU जाना है, BHU जाना है, तो अपना schedule जो बनाया है, please with due diligence follow that schedule, alright. Now, if you need help, okay, join the Unimonks community. If you need help with strategy guidance, if you need help with question paper analysis, we do all of that for you, okay. We give you question papers, we analyze previous year's question papers, ताकि हम आपके साथ आपकी ये जर्नी में चलें, ठीक है. आपकी जितनी भी मदद कर सकते हैं हम, we will do all of it for you, okay. We are going to be your partners, not just your mentors, but your partners through the CUET journey for you, alright. we've especially got domain subject, domain specific videos as well. All right. We have, as I said previously, we have Manish sir and Vinayak sir teaching general test. We have Ayush sir teaching biology. We have Sonal ma'am teaching chemistry. I myself teach history. All right. We also have JP sir who teaches history. We have your back. Okay. Anything you require, any help, all right, you have any doubts, you have any questions, ask us. We are going to be your partners. And in order for you to do that, you need to follow us on our Instagram. You need to follow us on our Facebook. Obviously, subscribe to our YouTube channel. And we also have a Telegram group. On that Telegram group, you're going to meet fellow classmates, fellow batchmates who are going to be appearing for the paper with you. You can ask questions there, you can get your doubts solved there. We are with you, I promise, through it all, 24/7 at your service. Alright? We are going to be your partners in crime. Alright. Now, the next strategy, the next part is to keep yourselves updated. Okay? One way of doing this is to regularly check the NTA website or the CUET Samarth website. Okay? CUET Samarth. Check their websites regularly because exam season is upon us. ठीक है, कुछ महीनों में एग्जाम आने वाला है. अब अगर सिलेबस चेंज होगा तो उसकी अपडेट्स आएंगी, डेट्स अनाउंसमेंट्स आएंगी. एग्जाम्स की तो आ गई हैं, ठीक है, एग्जाम्स का ऐसे जनरल शेड्यूल तो आ गया है, रिजल्ट डेट्स भी अनाउंस हो गई हैं. अब आपका स्पेसिफिक what day is your exam going to be held, वो वाला शेड्यूल भी आने वाला है, ठीक है. और बहुत सारी चीजें, these abrupt updates are going to keep coming on the CUET Samarth website, so check it regularly. Now, if you're unable to do that, obviously, I'm reiterating this point, subscribe to Unimonks because we will give you all the updates, ठीक है. हम short videos भी बनाते हैं, हम long videos भी बनाते हैं, आपको सारे updates हम देंगे. It is our responsibility towards you for this, okay? And lastly, guys, do not get anxious. I know these are tough times. I know you sort of become anxious because पहले boards हुआ करते थे, but अब सिर्फ ये एक पेपर है जो आपका future decide करता है, ठीक है. लेकिन इतना stress लेने की जरूरत नहीं है, सब हो जाता है. Through hard work, through perseverance, everything is possible, ठीक है. If you're a student of the 12th standard, you're already studying your domain subjects, you're already studying the language, okay? So you'll be able to get through that. You'll be able to get through that part. You just need to practice regularly. You need to revise regularly. And if you're a dropper, तो एक साल तो कर ही लिया है ना, एक बार तो पूरा सिलेबस पढ़ ही लिया है, ठीक है. ये तो बस रिविजन टाइम है तुम्हारे लिए. So don't get anxious, okay? If you feel sort of, if you're feeling anxious, if you're feeling nauseated, okay, and मतलब ऐसे nervous jitters आ रहे हैं ना, तो mentors से बात करो, हमसे बात करो, अपने teacher से बात करो. We are here for you. We're going to help you out, okay? Remember, just perseverance and hard work is your straight road to your dream university, whichever one it may be. This paper will get you there, alright? That is it, okay? That is all the strategies, that are all the tips I have. Those are all the tips I have for you. Thank you so much for watching, okay? For more such informational content, subscribe to Unimonks, obviously, okay? Follow us on Instagram, follow us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, join our Telegram group, alright? If you like this video, give this a thumbs up. Thank you also, sorry, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments down below. I will give you your answers, okay? I promise, if not me, someone else from our team will answer your questions, okay? Thank you so much for watching. Bye.